Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please watch the full video, hit that like button and do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Let's get started. Open the Pixel app, select the import button, go to the gallery, select a picture, adjust the picture, and then select the text option, edit by writing. Select the size, adjust the size. Select the font option, adjust the font. Select the stroke button, enable button on, adjust the color. Select the shadow option, enable button on, and then copy the letter. Select the copy option, change the color, select the color option, adjust the color. Save the letter, select the save option, adjust the save confirmation, and then select the import button, go to the gallery, select another photo, adjust the photo, remove the background, select the erase color, enable button on, adjust the photo. Please like the video and subscribe the channel.